We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes us to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. And here's our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and satisfaction. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.